Namaste, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to teach you how to construct the rectangle when its diagonal and angle made by the diagonal with side is given. At the time how to construct it I am going to show here. First of all I want to show here the questions, okay, rough sketch. In question there is given rectangle name is ABCD. The name of the rectangle is given ABCD. That's why with the help of pencil and freehand also you can draw. You can draw there one rectangle, this is one, okay, and this is A. You can give name A. This is side is B, and this side is C. This side is D. Okay, you can give this name here. Okay, D, and here is given one diagonal. One diagonal, draw this AC with this rough sketch, and its angle made by this diagonal with this line is what? 40 degree given there. 40 degree given, and the length of this diagonal is given there 8 centimeter. Okay, in such case how to construct this rectangle? This rectangle how to construct by using compass. Okay, I am going to show here. First of all, take the help of ruler and compass. Okay, and first of all draw here one line segment. Okay, long line segment draw from here. Its measurement is not given. Draw long line segment. Okay, and now put here name A here, and now take the help of compass and put compass at the point A. Okay, take one arc here. Okay, and construct here one main arc. Okay, main arc construct here like this, and from this 0 degree one put the compass at 0 degree and cut this side one. This is 6 degree, and now put compass at 6 degree and cut arc this side, and that will be the arc for 30 degree. Okay, now put compass again at 0 degree and cut this arc here this side, and this is the angle for 40 degree, and join this A and this 40 degree with the long line. You can use the ruler and long. Okay, join it with the long line here. Okay, and now we have to take the help of compass and ruler and put compass at 0 and move it up to 8 centimeter, because we are drawing 8 centimeter long diagonal there. Diagonal is already constructed, but its measurement must be 8 centimeter. Put at A. Okay, and cut this side. This is cutting one. Where are they cutting? That point is C. You can give the name here C. This is the C. This point name is, okay, the name of this point is C. Okay, children, because this from A to C diagonal length of the diagonal is 8 centimeter there, so that we have to put here name C. As I told you to join this one. Okay, okay, those two lines were unnecessary one. I will repeat again. First of all, draw one line segment. Okay, like this one, long line. Okay, now take the help of compass. Take one arc, main arc. and construct here one main arc, okay, like this, and put at 0 degree here, this 0 degree point, okay, and cut this side one, this is 6 degree, and now cut from 0 degree to this side also, okay. Now from 60 degree also, now cut from 60 degree, okay, this side cut from 60, and put again compass at 0 degree and cut this side one, okay. This is for 30 degree, okay. Now use ruler and pencil, you can join this one with that. That's a long straight line, okay. We don't know its length, and this is the diagonal one coming. Now see the question, and you can see the rough figure also. Its length is 8 centimeter. Now measure the 8 centimeter length in ruler. Put compass in 0 degree. Look here. So 0 1, not degree. 0, and move it up to 8 centimeter. Okay, we are taking 8 centimeter long arc here. Now put compass here and cut this arc here. Okay, like this cut this arc like this, and wherever they cut, that point is C. This point is C. This point is C, and now here is the main point, okay, step. Put the compass at the point C. This compass will be kept at the point C, so that we have to make that much long arc of this compass, okay, so that it will cut, that arc will cut this line in two different places, okay, here and here, two different places. That much long arc you take a bit long arc, so that it will cut, okay, it will cut this line in two different places like this, okay. Now cut this arc like this, okay, here also cutting. Now if you take this side, look, this side also it will cut here, cut like this, this much long arc we have to take, so that it will cut this line in two different places. Now pick up this compass and put in these two places where that arc has cut, okay. And now from this place also cut this arc here, this side, and now from here also, okay, cut this arc this side one. See here, okay, cut this arc, okay. Put compass here, wherever it is cutting, okay, wherever it is intersecting, this at this point put, and cut this arc this side, okay, this side I cut, okay. Now wherever those two arcs are cutting, this point should be joined with the point C with the help of ruler. Join this point of intersection of the two arcs with the point C, okay, join this, and this line where it cut, that point is B. This point is B. So this point is B. This intersection point, okay, intersection point is B. Okay. Now only two steps left. Now take the help of compass and measure this length from here to here, okay, here, point B, because we know that opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. That's why we are measuring this length AB, and that same arc we are cutting from C to here. Now put the compass at C, at the point C, and move this side, okay, this side one from C, because this AB and C, these sides are equal. That's why we are cutting this arc here from here, okay. We are cutting arc from this side, okay. See, we are putting at the point C and cutting this arc this side, okay. Cut this arc, long arc from C, because opposite sides are equal. Now we know that opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, in BC and AD will be equal. BC and AD will be equal. That's why now measure the length of BC with the help of compass, okay. Measure this one. Okay, like this length BC and this AD will be same. That's why now put compass at the point A and put compass at the point A, because BC and AD are equal. That's why we are cutting the same arc here. Cut like this arc. Okay, cut arc like this cut arc. Now wherever it cuts, this point is D. That point name is D. This point is D. Okay. Now join this point D with C with the help of ruler and pencil. This point D join with C and point D join with A also. Like this we get A, B, C, D, a required rectangle. Don't forget to mention the things here. This is 30 degree. Okay, this 30 degree, and this length was 8 centimeter long. Okay, this diagonal was 8 centimeter long, and we cut from C to B and B to A this equal length, and B to C and A to D was equal arc with equal length we cut. Okay, taking the equal arc, and like this we construct the rectangle with the help of one diagonal and angle made by the diagonal with the side. Okay, like this only, with this much only. I hope you understood. Keep practicing construction, and thank you very much.